you have a home renovation project or maybe a pile of stuff in the corner of the garage that just kind of keeps on piling up, you're gonna need some help. And lucky for you, Been There, Dump That has got you covered. We've got small bins for small projects. Maybe you're just doing a bathroom. We've got bigger bins. Maybe you're taking all the shingles off your roof and getting a new one put on. You're gonna need one of these babies right here. We've got even larger sizes for big time jobs. Maybe you're doing the whole house, all the way up to this extra big size. You can fit a whole lot of stuff in this baby. They've even got these great doors so you don't have to throw stuff over the top. If you're not sure which size you need, give us a call and one of our dumpster consultants can help you out. To find your local Been There, Dump That, go to BeenThereDumpThat.com. Been There, Dump That. We're the residential friendly dumpster company.